Having a YouTube channel as another means of creating revenue has become quite popular in recent times. Lots of people are putting together the gear that they need to start up a channel, with an interesting flair to gain lots of views that will lead to extra cash in their pockets. Did you know that you could make that additional money on YouTube without showing your face or posting videos regularly? Here's a few YouTube channel niche ideas to help you do just that. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 7. Relaxing music. A quick search on YouTube for relaxing music will reveal that there are several channels with tons of subscribers and views, just for posting videos with an appealing picture and some calming music playing on loop in the background. Some of these channels are also constantly hosting YouTube Lives just to feature this music. And although it's hard to believe that a channel with videos dedicated solely to calming music would be popular enough to gain views and make a substantial amount of money, it's more than true that this is happening with many channels across YouTube. The people behind these channels don't even have to show their faces or have a vast knowledge on video editing. What's extra great is that since most people are always looking for some background music to set a scene of tranquility, they're always coming back to the same video to do so. And that's how these channels make money without having to post constantly. So if you're interested in making videos but prefer a more laid-back approach to gaining subscribers and viewers, try setting up a channel dedicated to relaxing music. Everyone wants to feel calm, so there's a high chance that your channel will get the results you're hoping for. Number 6. Meditation. Meditation videos are similar to the aforementioned relaxing music videos. Some of them come in the form of calming music which can be used to soothe the mind for meditation, while others are simple tutorials on how to meditate. Another idea for said videos would be to add calming sounds like birds chirping or sounds from the sea to relaxing images of nature. Whatever form of meditative video you decide on should be easy to make using a website like Canva and won't require you to show your face. And as for if you'd have to constantly post with this niche, frequent posts of meditative videos won't be necessary, as people always come back to the same videos. There are many who make a 10-minute break for meditation a part of their day, so if your video ends up being one that they do that with, you'll be gaining views on just one video daily. Lots of views leads to lots of money, without the hassle of constantly creating. Number 5. Podcasts. While YouTube wasn't designed to promote audio content like the platforms Apple Podcasts and Spotify, it's not unheard of for people to post their podcast in the form of a video on YouTube. These videos can take the form of a still image with your pre-recorded podcast playing over it. In this day and age, podcasts are becoming increasingly popular. And for those who don't have access to popular podcast websites, YouTube is a good way to get their hands on these sorts of content. It's a much more popular and well-utilized website, so many do indeed gravitate towards the podcast uploaded on YouTube. Just choose an interesting topic and start a discussion. Podcasts centered around motivation and pop culture commentary would be a great way to catch your audience's attention. Uploading podcasts to YouTube is a great way for someone who isn't versed in video editing to have their own channel. Number 4. Tutorials. People are always looking up how to do things online, so uploading a tutorial on something you're versed in is a great way to gain views without posting constantly. If you know how to use a particular software, or have a skill like sewing or cooking, then making a channel dedicated to showing people how to do these things would be a great idea. In the case of software tutorials, screen recording your laptop while you record your voice over it is an ideal way to make these sort of videos. Once again, you won't need to show your face or do any major editing. When people are learning how to do something, they typically prefer when the video hops right into what to do. So it would be in your benefit that you don't have a video intro or outro. Tutorials to popular software or skills that others are known to want to have are the best type of videos for these channels, since new people will always click on your videos to learn that popular skill. Because of this, frequent uploads will not be necessary. Number 3. Statistics. YouTube channels like Ranking Man are known for creating videos that feature interesting statistics over the years. These videos choose a topic, like tallest buildings by country, and select a time period to show the statistics of this, and call it a video. This may sound like a simple idea, but these videos actually gain hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. Other channels have followed this formula and have gotten the same success, without executing overly complicated video ideas or even showing their face. To create videos such as these is simple. There's a free website called flourish.studio that's great for making them. Just sign up and click Create New Visualization to gain access to the different templates for statistics. Choose which one you'd like to use for your video, preferably the bar charts. Then edit the information you like to convey into the software. This information can come from any website on Google, as long as it's reputable. After doing that, you can download a free screen recorder and record the data in the software after pressing the play button, and add the free music available in your YouTube studio to make it into the real deal. It's fairly simple and interesting enough to catch the attention of new viewers who'd be curious to see how statistics change based on different time periods. These channels typically upload once a month and still gain views on old and new videos. So having a channel dedicated to these statistics is another great way to gain some extra cash without grinding too much on YouTube. Number 2. Lists. List videos are quite intriguing to most people, especially in the case where your lists start with the words Top 10 or Top 5. Top lists gain lots of views as people are interested to know what the top things in a certain category might be. Again, list videos will not require you to show your face or to have great video editing skills. As long as you know how to record an MP3 audio and upload it into your video editing software, then you should be good. To make these videos interesting, just add free pictures of the candidates on your list to your voiceover. Websites like Pixels are a good place to get these photos. Your YouTube studio can come in handy once again for light background music to your video. Be sure to make your listing very compelling to draw people to your video even months after it's been posted. Your list video can be put in the category of timeless based on what it's about. That means that people will click on it no matter the time of year or how old it is. Hence, bringing a steady amount of views to your channel even without posting frequently. Before we get into the number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Pets. If you have a cute pet, then you're in luck. Pet videos never get old, and animal lovers are always flocking to YouTube to watch adorable videos about cats, dogs, hamsters, mice, bunnies, and other furry friends. For these videos, they can follow the daily routines of your pets or just capture an adorable moment where your fur baby did something exceptionally interesting. Some people with pet channels make a point of following fun trends with their animals, but that's not always necessary. Pet videos can be useful if your main issue is that you don't want your face to be seen. But if you're worried about having to upload videos consistently, then you can also use the niche of pet videos in other ways. Videos centered around topics like signs that your dog is upset, or things dogs do to show that they love us, can be very informative and eye-catching to pet lovers. This incorporates the list video format, but combines it with the desirability of pets to attract even more viewers. You can follow the steps on how to make list videos to create similar videos about pets, which will surely be interesting enough to bring in new viewers even a while after uploading. Video compilations of pets from platforms like TikTok can also be a great way to utilize this popular niche. Every once in a while, people catch themselves needing to laugh or smile during a hard day. So putting together funny or cute videos of pets from other platforms and uploading it to your channel would be a great way to get tons of views without including your voice or face. The only drawback would be that you have to ensure that you have the permission from the owners of these videos to make your own. So be sure to do that before uploading. Any idea you choose to use with the pet video niche will be good enough to get you lots of views without having to do much editing, reveal your identity, or post frequently. The world of animal lovers is constantly expanding, and animal videos are rising in popularity every day. So this is a good niche to look into if you'd like to make money on YouTube without becoming an influencer. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value from this one. See you there.